Today, let's take a look at the production process of peanut butter in the factory. First, workers pour the harvested peanuts into the hopper and use a lift to transfer the peanuts into the roasting machine. When selecting peanuts, they should be plump, free from mold or rot, and mature kernels are the ideal choice. During roasting, temperature control is crucial. Peanuts are roasted to 160 degrees Celsius. Of course, the equipment used may vary, so the production process can differ after roasting. The color of the peanuts should be consistent both inside and out. Once roasting is complete, the peanuts need to be spread out and allowed to cool slightly. They are sent to a peeling machine to remove the thin skin. Next, workers manually sort out any peanuts that haven't been peeled. After screening, hydrogenated oil and other additives are added, and everything is mixed evenly. The mixture is then placed into a grinding machine, where we get our peanut butter. The finer the paste, the smoother the texture. A finer paste also absorbs less oil to enhance the flavor. Some crushed peanuts are added, and that's the process of making peanut butter.